Don't be a square and skip this video. We are talking the Punnett square over here. No pun intended. Just so you know, it measures the probability of an outcome based on a specific genetic cross. So it can't tell you what will be, but what could be. For the most simple Punnett square, we'll cross the two genotypes. These parent genotypes will be for the same gene, but may or may not contain different alleles. Let's do a genetic cross for eye color. We can't do these videos without you. If you hit the subscribe button, we'll make sure to do a lot more of these helpful lessons. Dad's dominant with blue eyes, genotype capital B and little b, and mom's recessive with brown eyes, little b and little b. We are taking a look at the probability of the offspring to have either blue eyes or brown eyes. Let's begin crossing. You draw a simple square, split into 4 quarters. Sorta looks like a window, right? This is the Punnett square. Conventionally, we'll write the dominant allele first of one of the parents across the top from dad, and then the recessive allele from mom on the side. Now drag the letters like this to their given quadrants like this and match them up. So each quadrant represents a 25% chance, a quarter, that the specific genotype will result in the offspring. In this case, we have 2 possible genotypes, big B little b at 50% chance, and little b at 50% chance that will show up in the offspring. Also, with that said, we have a 50% phenotype of the offspring with 50% blue eyes, or it could be 50% brown eyes. Awesome. Now let's cross 2 genes that are heterozygous for eye color, which will be big B little b crossed with big B little b. Now put one gene on top and the other on the side. Now carry them over, and now after we analyze it, we are getting a 1:2:1 ratio in genotype. We have a 25% homozygous dominant, or big B, 50% heterozygous, or big B, little b, and finally 25% homozygous recessive, or little b. The phenotype ratio will be 3:1 ratio, with 75% blue eyes and 25% brown eyes. And that's it. Do you want a more complicated Punnett square? Comment below. If you'd like to see more of this lesson, head over to our Instagram page and TikTok channel at rev.med. We'll have this lesson along with many other topics for you to study. By the way, don't forget to do questions. Are you learning something from our videos? Well then click the subscribe button to your right. We are releasing high-yield lessons and ways for you to get ahead in class. Be sure to follow us on Instagram to take interactive quizzes and view your favorite diagrams. Nothing can stop you, but only if you believe in yourself. You got this.